Jim, you need to have the C-suite look at Renewyty as an ecosystem for untapped profit in after-sales services. Renewyty allows you to do three main things: improve efficiency of the service team and other internal stakeholders, improve communications with customers, and gain deep data insight. With effective communication in place, you can have collaboration between departments, which will drive efficiency. Notifications to customers regarding the status of an RMA will enhance the customer experience. Data insight will improve product quality, reduce returns, and will make your process more lean and less costly. Providing an excellent customer experience will build brand loyalty, trust from your customers, and drive sales in extra services like extended warranties and premium service level agreements. And because you have created an efficient process that is lean, the growing sales in after-sales services, coupled with lower costs and operations, will create large profit margins in service that will continue to grow in a self-nurturing system. So Jim, it's not just about ROI and efficiency, it's also about untapped profits and the customer experience.